Sige, slowly. Don't, the Yakult will fall. Slowly. Yan. Careful don't drop it.
Tatay will find the straw later.
Oh yes. Oh, sige, drink. How do you normally drink? Now you know how to drink. Slowly, ha? I told you, slowly. It's okay, it's okay. Later na you read because it will fall down. No more na eh. Slowly. It will go into your nose. Not too high. Yan.
Not too high.
Yes po. Wow. Very good na si Kuya Kiela. No more na? Finish na. No
I
more?
want to add more.
No more na. Tomorrow naman. Wow, good job.
Ito mga logo pala ito.
Sweep the floor na.
Hindi po.
I-show tatay. The silly face. Stand straight. Oh. Look at the camera and then silly face. one more. Silly face. The eyes. No more, boss? No more na?
No more.
Oh, you will eat, ha?
Sino ba sinasabi mo Yung ano ba sinasabi niya? Toy bossy.
Boss Toyo.
Bostoyo.
You are Boss Toyo? No po.
Ay, who is Bostoyo?
Who's Boss Toyo?
Me?
Ako may toyo ako pag may toyo ka. Ang lang kang ite Smile daw. Patay. Ano ginagawa? What are you doing? Massaging? Ate Precious also, massage. Not ouchy. Hindi masakit.
Looks like a beta.
Kuya Ken! Kuya Ken! Magluluto